Tumayo po tayong lahat. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Director, Chaplain Service.
Almighty God, we rely on you to strengthen us to meet our daily challenges in life. To you be all the praise and glory. As we gather this morning, the flag raising ceremony, all assigning between the PNP and the Outdoor Advertising Association of the Philippines, the conferment of awards to the performance governance system, and awarding of personal and significant accomplishment. God called our leaders to them to lead and inspire others in doing what is right and noble for God, country, and people. May this activity reflect the public that is truly in the hearts and minds of the leadership of the PNP as we aim to gain the trust and respect of the citizenry, as well as the belief that these advocacies should be supported by actual actions for the people to believe in us. Thus, our Chief PNP, Police Director General Ricardo C. Marquez, may we follow his lead, aspire to do at least one good deed each day that will make us worthy of the trust and respect of our family, our peers, and our fellow men. We ask this in your mighty name. Amen.
Sa panunumpahan ng Katapatan sa Watawat ng Pilipinas and Police Officers Class will be led by Police Senior Superintendent Randolph Tolongo of the Police Community Relations Group.
Panunumpahan ng Katapatan sa Watawat ng Pilipinas. Ako ay Pilipino. O katapatang nanunumpa. Sa Watawat ng Pilipinas. At sa bansang kanyang sinasagisan. Na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan. Na pinamikilos ng sambayanang mga Diyos. Makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa. Police Officers Day. Please repeat after me. I will love and serve God. My country and people. I will uphold the Constitution. And obey legal orders of the duly constituted authorities. I will oblige myself to maintain a high standard of morality and professionalism. I will respect the customs and traditions of the police service. And I will live a decent and virtuous life. To serve as an example to others.
Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, good morning. Today we're going to witness the signing of memorandum of agreement between the Philippine National Police and Outdoor Advertising Association of the Philippines. We would like to request our signatory for the signing. For the Philippine National Police, Police Director General Ricardo Marquez, and for the OAAP, Mr. Rodrigo Ibarra, the President of OAAP. And our witnesses, Police Director Wilfredo Franco, the Director for Personnel, the Director for Police Community Relations, Police Chief Superintendent Noel Baracero, Director of CCSM, Mr. Frank Abueva, Chairman of the OAAP, and Mr. Fortunato Mayani, Public Relations Officer of the Outdoor Advertising Association of the Philippines.
The memorandum of agreement highlights the partnership of the PNP and OAAP in instilling awareness in pursuit of real and lasting transformation, as provided in the communication plan of the PNP Patrol Plan 2030. As part of the OAAP's corporate social responsibility program, it shall provide assistance and service for the purpose of helping the PNP's information advocacy free of charge through the display of electronic advertisements of the Philippine National Police. We have just witnessed, ladies and gentlemen, the signing of the memorandum of agreement between the Philippine National Police and the Outdoor Advertising Association of the Philippines. Let's give them a big round of applause. We will now proceed to the presentation of the plaque of appreciation to the President of OAAP. I request Mr. Rodrigo Ibarra, President of OAAP, to please rise. The plaque will be presented by the GPMP, to be assisted by the members of the CIDP Command Group, NTPCR. National Headquarters, Philippine National Police, Office of the GTNP. Flag of appreciation is presented to Outdoor Advertising Association of the Philippines for invaluable services, support, and contributions rendered, and for serving as institutional partner of the Philippine National Police in the realization of the vision towards becoming a highly capable, effective, and credible police service working in partnership with the responsive community towards the attainment of a safer place to live, work, and do business. Given today, 26th day of October 2015 at the PNP National Headquarters, signed Ricardo Marquez, Police Director General, Chief PNP. The plaque is being received, ladies and gentlemen, by Mr. Rodrigo Guevara, President of OAAP. Let's give him another round of applause. Thank you very much, sir. Please take your seats. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. We shall proceed to the presentation of awards to PNP personnel with significant accomplishments. We would like to request awardees to proceed in front for the presentation. To present the award, Police Director General Ricardo Marquez, the Chief of Philippine National Police, to be assisted by Police Director Dominador Aquino Jr., the Director for Personal Records Management, and Police Director Victor Nona, Director of CIDG.
For the successful implementation of Copland Green Bay under the whole of the PNP PRO-40 approach that resulted to the arrest of Norman Evas and 3 others, leaders of the Evas and the Bresa criminal gang, Barangay Gandalay, Tingnan City, Laguna, on September 19, 2015, and resulted in the recovery of 191 fake Visa, MasterCard credit cards, and assorted ATM cards, skimming device, 110.71 grams of Shabu, in assorted brand paraphernalia, 1 unit 12-gauge shotgun, 1 medallion ang kagalingan is awarded to Police Senior Superintendent Romulo Sapitula, PRO-4A. The same medal is awarded to Police Superintendent Arthur Bisnar, Acting Regional Chief, CIDG Region 4A. The same award is presented to Police Superintendent Bowen Joy Masaudin, also of CIDG, a member of the team. The same medal is awarded to Police Superintendent Eliazar Mata of PRO-4A, as a member of the team. The same medal is awarded to Police Superintendent Agosto Gasquet, also of CIDG and a member of the team. The same medal is awarded to Police Chief Inspector Marlon Quino of CIDG. The same medal is awarded to Police Chief Inspector Daniel Yema, also of CIDG. The same medal is awarded to Police Inspector Helen de la Cruz, also of CIDG. The same medal is awarded to Police Inspector Raymond Alfred Osea from PRO-4A, Regional Public Safety Battalion. The same medal is awarded to Police Inspector John Patrick De Los Santos, also of RTSP PRO-4A. The same medal is awarded to Police Inspector Bob Belver of CIDG. The same medal is awarded to SPO-2 Edmond Mendoza of CIDG. The same medal is awarded to SPO-3 Reiki Comandante of CIDG. The same medal is awarded to PO-2 Dante Apari, also of CIDG. Congratulations to all awardees, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a big round of applause. We now request them to go back to their respective seats. Chief, Readiness Test or SRT, the Performance Audit, and the Unit Revalida. May we now respectfully request the following to join the Chief of the Philippine National Police, Mr. Director General Ricardo Marquez, in administering the conferment of compliance status. Professor Jose Navarro, Director, Harbor Shipping Services Incorporated, and a member of the National Advisory Group for Police Transportation and Development. Mr. Ingel Redoble, President of Rights Factory Incorporated, also a member of the NAGPTD. Police Director Benjamin Magalong, the Chairman of the TWG and PNP Patrol Plan 2030, and Police Chief Superintendent Noel Baraceros, Director of the Center for Police Strategy Management. Congratulations to the Directorate for Information and Communications Technology Management, led by Chief Superintendent Julio Taas. The second unit, ladies and gentlemen, to be conferred the compliance status is the Directorate for Integrated Police Operations, Eastern Mindanao, headed by Police Director Mr. Gani Neves. Joining him is the DIPO Eastern Mindanao Command Group in receiving the certificate. And of course, DIPO Eastern Mindanao will also receive the Silver Eagle Award for garnering an overall rating of 90.12%. Congratulations to the Directorate for Integrated Police Operations Eastern Mindanao, headed by Police Director Mr. Gani Neves. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The third unit that we conferred the compliance status is the Directorate for Integrated Police Operations Southern Luzon, headed by Police Director Jose George Corpus. Joining him are members of the DIPO Southern Luzon Command Group. Congratulations to DIPO Southern Luzon, headed by Police Director Jose George Corpus. Let's give them a round of applause. The fourth unit to be conferred the compliance status is the Directorate for Integrated Police Operations Western Mindanao, headed by Police Chief Superintendent Noel Lazarus Vargas. Joining him are members of the DIPO Western Mindanao Command Group. Congratulations to DIPO Western Mindanao, headed by Police Chief Superintendent Noel Lazarus Vargas. The fifth unit to be conferred a compliance status is the Directorate for Operations, headed by Police Director Jonathan Ferdinand Miano. Joining him are members of the DO Command Group. The Directorate for Operations will also receive the Silver Eagle Award for garnering an overall rating of 91.52%. Congratulations, sir. Directorate for Operations, headed by Police Director Jonathan Ferdinand Miano. The sixth unit to be conferred the compliance status is the Directorate for Plans, headed by Police Chief Superintendent Alexander Ignacio. Joining him are members of the DTF Command Group. They will also receive the Silver Eagle Award for garnering an overall rating of 90.50%. Congratulations. Director for Plans, headed by Police Chief Superintendent Alexander Ignacio. The next, the seventh committee to be conferred the compliance status is the National Capital Region Police Office, headed by Police Chief Superintendent Joel Pagbilao. Joining him are Mr. Rafi Giason and Dean Raul Adato, members of the NCRPO Regional Advisory Council and members of the command group. NCRPO will also receive the Silver Eagle Award for garnering an overall rating of 90.04%. Congratulations to NCRPO, headed by Police Chief Superintendent Joel Pagbilao, the Director. The eighth unit to be conferred the compliance status is Police Regional Office 6, Police Chief Superintendent Bernardo Diaz. Joining him is the Chairman of the PRO 6 Regional Advisory Council, Honorable Mayor John Carosa. And PRO 6 will receive the Silver Eagle Award for garnering an overall rating of 93.77%. Congratulations, PRO 6, headed by Chief Superintendent Bernardo Diaz. The ninth unit to be conferred the compliance status, Office 9, headed by Police Chief Superintendent Miguel Antonio Jr. Joining him are Mr. Pedro Soliven, Dr. Jesus Rolando Sanson, Chairman and member of the PRO 9 Regional Advisory Council and PRO 9 Command Group. PRO 9 will also receive the Silver Eagle Award for garnering an overall rating of 93.33%. Congratulations, PRO 9, headed by Police Chief Superintendent Miguel Antonio Jr. The 10th unit to be conferred at the compliance status is the Anti-Illegal Operations Task Force, headed by Police Senior Superintendent Antonio Arjola Jr. Joining him is Ms. Maria Corazon Sarmiento, member of the AIDSOT Advisory Council and AIDSOT Command Group. AIDSOT will also receive the Silver Eagle Award for garnering an overall rating of 90.34%. Congratulations to AIDSOT, headed by Police Senior Superintendent Antonio Garjola Jr. The 11th unit to be conferred the compliance status is Police Security Protection Group, headed by Police Senior Superintendent Alfred Corpus. Joining him is Police Director Discoro Yoro Jr., Chairman of the PSPD Advisory Council and PSPD Command Group. Congratulations to PSPE, headed by the Senior Superintendent Architect. The 12th unit to be conferred a compliance status is headed by Police Director Moro Virgilio Lazo. Joining him is Police Director Matthew Santiago Jr., member of the South Advisory Council and South Command Group.
Ah, sorry boss. Sorry.
The force will also receive the Silver Eagle Award for garnering an overall rating of 92.13%. Congratulations to the Special Action Force and the Police Director Moro Virgilio Lazo. Let's give all the 12 KPUs, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for successfully completing and satisfying the requirements set forth under C, the PNP Lingkod ng Bayan.
Integridad, disiplina at kasanayan, gabay sa tungkuling halal. Maka-Diyos at makabayan, makatao at makakalikasan, sa tungkulin aming parangalan, ihandog ang isang buhay, patas ay patutupad. Pantay-pantay para sa lahat, walang mayaman o mahirap, ang dulot sa bayan ay ganap. Hindi mamamayan matulungan, tayo saan katatagan at ibagay, kalapalay unlad na tunay, kapayapay ating tagumpay. Maka-Diyos at makabayan, makatao at makakalikasan, sa tungkulin aming karangalan, ihandog ang isang buhay, ihandog ang isang buhay.
Please all be seated. We now call Senior Superintendent Randolph Palomlong of PCRP. Please proceed in front and acknowledge the troops during the passage review. May we also request all awardees to proceed at the lower pavement to witness the passage review.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, good morning. Our participating units in today's parade are Police Security and Protection Group,
Finance,
PNP Retirees, Benefits and Administration Service,
Engineering,
Police Community Relations Group, Criminal Investigation and Detection Group,
PNP Training,
Maritime Group,
Logistics Support,
Intelligence Group. Approaching, ladies and gentlemen, our group commander and staff, led by Senior Superintendent Temple, Police Superintendent Quadro, Police Superintendent of Densa, our whole team National Police Band, led by SDO Warren Police. Our first battalion commander and staff, Inspector Susto, Inspector Contract, Alpha Company Commander and Staff Senior Inspector Garcia.
PO2 Carboniti.
Our first platoon leader, PO2 Mervido. Our second platoon leader, SPO1 Pakikito. Our Bravo Company Commander and Staff Chief Inspector Latos.
Chief Inspector Abalon.
Our first platoon leader, Senior Inspector Galicia. Our second platoon leader, Senior Inspector Gutierrez. Please all rise for the call. Thank you, and please be seated. Our second platoon commander and staff, Chief Inspector Rivera.
Chief Inspector
Chief
Rivera.
Inspector De La Cruz.
Chief Inspector
And Chief Inspector Abdullah. Our service company commander and staff, Chief Inspector Manalo.
Senior Inspector Manalo.
Our first platoon leader, SPO2 Domingo. Our second platoon leader, CO2 Gulliasen. Our Delta Company commander and staff, Chief Inspector Acosta.
Senior Inspector Padernas.
Our first platoon leader, Chief Inspector David. And our second platoon leader, Chief Inspector Rivera.
Ganun dati sa pala. Yun, yung pangatlo. Yung pangalawa.
Nakawalan pa sa San Bilaw? Oo. Anong order? Nalito ko. Yung confirming. Na-confirming. Sa BGS. BGS? Sa NCF, no? Nawalan sila. Ha? Nawalan sila. Teka naman.
And that concludes, ladies and gentlemen, our